You can change your accent in 3 easy steps, and there's really nothing to be afraid of. Let me explain. Here's a sentence. The boy jumped over the fence. The boy jumped over the fence. Now, here's tip number 1. Get your breathing right. With your breathing, you can change that sentence because right now you're probably saying the boy jumped over the fence. You can hear there that those words, they're not joined up. So just pretend that that sentence was all one word. Deep breath in. The boy jumped over the fence. Imagine it's all one word. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is how we join those words together. Very similar to breathing, boy jumped over, but we join the D and the O. We move them. The boy jumped over the fence. The boy jumped over the fence. Over. The D moves over to the O. The boy jumped over the fence. And the space is denied. And we do that a lot where a hard sound meets a soft sound. The boy jumped over the fence. So, breathing. Joining your words together to make sure there's no spaces. And finally, the last one, which is intonation. For example, listen carefully. The boy jumped over the fence. The boy jumped over the fence. And another news today. The boy jumped over the fence. You can choose the mood. Is it a happy story? The boy jumped over the fence. He was doing sports. Or the boy jumped over the fence. He escaped from prison. You can see how the intonation going up can make the boy happy or down to make it a serious story. Or if you want to make it a sad story, and the boy jumped over the fence. You can hear there that intonation is very powerful. And these are your key points. You have breathing, number 1. You have the spaces between the words and how you can join them together, number 2. And point number 3, you have intonation to move your voice up and down. I hope you found this helpful. Let's talk soon. And if you need any help with your accent, come and talk to me. Bye.